Hello friends, my name is Sankalp and today I am going to show you how I created my Makeover Monday Week 24 Challenge dashboard. I really recommend this video to the new learners of Tableau so that they can get idea how to create dashboards. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel so that you will be notified whenever I upload such creative content. So without wasting much time, let's start with our video. This was the dashboard I created for Makeover Monday Week 24, and this was the layout I created in Figma app. I have given link in the description. If you want to know how I created it, just comment it. I'll make one video on it. This is the hex map file which is used to create tile maps in our dashboard. This is created by Matt Chambers. I give credit to him for creating such awesome Excel file so that we can easily use it in our dashboard. Now let's start with our visualization. So first you will need to connect your dataset to the Tableau. So just on connect to data, go to text file and select your HexMap Excel file. I have kept this video as small as possible so that you guys can understand most of the things without wasting much time. So after adding HexMap file, you have to blend participation data file. HexMap file is added. Now we will drag participation data and blend it with HexMap. In this blend, our blend parameters are state of the HexMap file and state of the participation CSV. So you can see in relationship both of the states are showing here. It means our blend is correct. Now let's start with our visualization. Click on the column and convert it to dimension. Click on the row and convert it to dimension. Now click on column and convert it to continuous. Click on the row and convert it to continuous. Now drag column to the column section and drag row to the rows section. Go to row axis by double clicking on the row. Reverse the scale and you can see your US map is created. Now select the shape, select the hollow circle, increase the size of this chart so that you can see it properly. Now click on row and drag it to the rows section again. Go to row axis of second graph and reverse the scale. You can see two diagrams of US map are created. Now drag the girls participation to the size. Now go to shape and select the filled circle. Now we have to decrease the size of these circles. Go to size and decrease the size a bit. Now change the color of these circles. Select any color you want. Now we have to combine both the graph. So just select dual axis and your tiled graph is created. And this is how you create the tile map in Tableau. So you can adjust the sizes and customize it. For time being, we will remove the girls participated from our visualization. Now we have to create a parameter. Name this parameter as choose a sport. Select its data type as string and allowable values to list. List down all the sports that you want to show in your visualization. So in my case, I wanted to show baseball, basketball, ice hockey, soccer, tennis, and volleyball. Now click on the OK and your parameter is created. Create a calculated field and name it is sport is equal to true. Now give the value choose a sport is equal to sport. So what does this field create? Suppose you have selected parameter as soccer. So it will search the soccer in the sports section of our Excel file and return the data related to it. Now show this parameter. Add esport is equal to true to the filters and select the true value. Now you have to drag girls participation into the size of the second row. Now to show the value of girls participation in both the circles, you have to drag this girls participation to the detail section of all marks. Now you have to drag esport filter to the color of second row. Oops. No, you don't have to drag filter section. You have to drag a parameter choose a sport to the color. And now you can see for each sport there is a different color and different value of the girls participated from that state. Now if we want to see the values according to the different years, we have to create a filter named year. So just drag year to the filters, select all, apply and OK. Now show this filter. So if you select the year value, consider 2002-3, you can see the values of girls participated in that year. Now we will rename this sheet as USA Maps. Now create the second sheet. Drag the boys participation to the text. Create another sheet. Drag boys school to the text. Create another sheet, drag girls participated to the text, drag girls schools to the text. Now you have to create one calculated field and name it girl to boy ratio. So using this calculated field, we can find the girl to boy ratio in any particular sport, any particular year, or in any particular state. Sum of boys participation. Apply. OK. Okay, you have to write this sum as a capital letters. Then only Tableau will understand. Click on apply and OK. Now drag this calculated field to the text. Create one more sheet, create calculated field and name it percentage of girls. So this calculated field will give us the percentage of girls participated in particular sport, in particular state and in particular year. Sum of girls participation divided by sum of girls participation plus sum of boys participation. Apply and OK. Drag percentage of the girls to the text. Drag state from hexmap.csv to the details section. Now you can see which state in the US map we are referring to. Drag the state to the filters as well. Select all, apply and OK. Go to the year filter, apply to worksheets, selected worksheets and select all the worksheets so that this filter can be worked with all the worksheets. Go to the sheet 2, click on is sport is equal to true and drag it to the filter. Select true, apply and OK. Drag state in the hexmap.csv to the filters as well. Select all, apply and OK. Now rename this sheet as boys participated. You have to do this for all the remaining 5 sheets. Now you can see I have added these filters to all the other worksheets. Oh, there is something wrong with percentage of girls. We'll see its calculated field. Go to percentage of girls, edit. Instead of plus, I think I have used division sign. So we'll just correct it and multiply it by 100. So it will show percentage. Click on apply, OK. Now to show the rise of soccer in last 20 years, we have to create one calculated field. Name it difference. And you have to write the following value in it. This is quite complicated calculated field. So if you want to know more about it, comment it. I will make one separate video on it or I will reply you personally. Now drag this difference to the rows. Now you can see I have created one group and named it sports. So we'll see what's inside it. There are 2 groups, sports and others. In sports, we have the sports we have created in choose a sport and other sports are in other section. Click on OK. If you want to know how to create this group, then go to sport, create and select your sports and make group of them. Now drag this sports group to the filters, select sport and apply. OK. Now drag year to the filters, select all, apply and OK. Now select the sport and add to colors. Click on add all members. Now drag year to the column section. Now we have to create a line chart for this. So go to here and select line. You can see our line chart is created. Go to here, show filter and select the particular years so that our graph looks nice. Set the view as entire view. Select the years of your choice so that your graph looks nice. So I have selected this years. Go to edit colors. Select soccer and give it dark red color. Now select the other sports and give them the gray color. Now you can see we have highlighted our soccer. Now we will rename this sheet to the rise of soccer. This graph gives the rise in girls' participation in different sports over 2002 to 2019 year window. Now we will format the boys participated section. So click on format, go to default worksheet, select the red color, increase the font, make it bold. You have to do this for all the sheets. Now we will format Rise of Soccer chart. Select format, go to format shading, select sheet, select the color you want, go to lines, remove each and every line, select everything to none. To remove the axis, you have to remove the show header. Similarly, do this for x-axis and your chart is created. Now drag the sport to the label section and your lines are labeled. Now we have created all the sheets which were required to create the dashboard. We'll start designing the dashboard now. Now I'll show you my Tableau workbook. So this was the dashboard I designed and these were my sheets. You can see everything is formatted. Now we will see how I added these sheets to this dashboard. So I'll create new dashboard. Select tiled. In objects, select image. Choose. Select your layout created in Figma. Open it, apply it. OK. This layout was created in A4 portrait size. So for that we'll go to range, fix size. In custom, we will select A4 portrait. So now our layout is ready. I will show you how to add these sheets to our dashboards. So first select the floating button. Now drag your sheet to the dashboard. First remove all the filters. Increase the size of your sheet so that it can fit properly. But before that, remove its title so that you get more space. Now drag girl to boy ratio sheet in the dashboard. Remove all its filters. Remove its title and adjust it according to your layout. Do this to all other sheets and you will see something like this. You just have to drag and drop them. Now I will tell you how to show these selection panels. Go to filters and select years. And go to parameters and select choose a sport. Then these selection panels will be visible. To show the text on your dashboard, you just need to drag that text object into the dashboard and write whatever you want to write. Like this 2002, minus 58k, 2019, 92k. For showing this part, you have to select annotate, go to area and write your text. And to edit it, you have to click format and you can edit it properly by using these options. I will show you my dashboard to you now. So you must have observed when I select any sport or year, the 6 values in the left and right side changes. So how I did it? So let's have a look at it. Go to exit, click on dashboard, select actions. I have created this filter. We'll see what's inside it. In source sheet, select for all. That means US maps for you guys. And in target sheets, select all of the other sheets except for all and rise of the soccer sheet. Our target filters are state and year. This means when state and year in the for all, that means US maps sheet is selected, the values of it will be reflected in the other 6 sheets. So click on OK and congratulations, your dashboard is ready to use. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. This was my first time showing someone how to design a dashboard. If you like my video, please like the video and give me any suggestion you want in the comment section, and please subscribe the channel for more of such videos.